New Char-Broil True Infrared Performance Series gas grills combine our most innovative cooking features with a rugged and durable design. Serve your friends and family food that's truly up to 50% juicier every time, and cooks faster and more consistently than traditional gas or charcoal grills. All thanks to Char-Broil's patented True Infrared cooking system. The special design uses a porcelain-coated grate to capture heat and distribute it evenly, creating intense, radiant heat that cooks food quicker. That even heat makes it easy to tend your food, knowing there are no hot or cold spots across the cooking grates, and any drippings are instantly vaporized. The smoke and steam produced infuses moisture and flavor back into your food. Even better, True Infrared means no flare-ups. The grate design restricts the airflow required to produce flames. It only takes a few seconds of fire to burn your food. Preventing flare-ups truly allows you to cook with confidence. You get all the CharBroil flavor you love without worrying about getting burned. And our top-ported burners offer precise control and a wide temperature range, allowing you to grill hot and fast on one side and low and slow on the other. Mix up the menu or prepare food for multiple meals, all on the same cooktop. We've been dedicated to outdoor cooking innovation since 1948. Along the way, we've listened to you and learned about the features you need to grill with confidence. Startup is a snap with surefire one-touch electronic ignition. Our lid-mounted temperature gauge lets you know what's going on under the hood. Wide side shelves give you extra space to stay organized, and a high-powered side burner lets you expand your menu all in one spot. Cleanup is easy. The True Infrared grates protects the firebox from messy food debris and brushes off quickly, and locking casters make the grill easy to move and store. The new CharBroil True Infrared Performance Series will help you enjoy your next cookout knowing you've got the grill to make it go easy and excellent every time.
The Blaze Pro Portable Grill allows you to enjoy the same performance and quality of a full-size premium gas grill anywhere you want to take it or leave it. Blaze offers this portable grill in two versions: a standard commercial grade model, as well as a marine grade model, which is a really popular choice for coastal locations and a go-to grill for a day out on the water. Back at the house, it's even a great companion to your favorite charcoal grill or smoker, when you want a quick meal after work, or maybe an appetizer while your brisket finishes smoking. Let's take a look at what makes this such a great portable grill. The cooking area of the Blaze Pro Portable Grill measures 19.5 inches wide by 10.25 inches deep. The grids are heavy-duty 12mm thick stainless steel rods for maximum heat retention. They are closely spaced and hexagonal shaped, giving them more surface contact on the food you cook, making for a beautiful sear on steak or solid grill marks on something like burgers. Underneath the cooking grids, you'll find Blaze's perforated stainless steel flame tamer. The full width coverage of this flame tamer works well to even out and radiate the heat coming from the burner beneath. For heat retention and longevity, it's made out of 12-gauge thick stainless steel. Blaze's flame tamer shines when cooking something greasy like chicken wings. It radiates enough heat to crisp the skin without letting runaway fires burn your food. The flame tamer also provides plenty of surface area to turn drippings into delicious smoky flavor. Beneath the flame tamer of this grill, you'll find Blaze's heavy-duty cast stainless steel H burner. The burner is lit by push and turn flamethrower ignition for a reliable start, and the burner is rated for 12,000 BTUs of cooking power. With the cooking grids, flame tamer, and burner on this grill, the cooking system sets itself apart compared to most portable grills. To keep an eye on your temperature, the Blaze Pro Portable has a hood-mounted thermometer. This grill has two side handles for easy lifting and two latches on the front of the grill which secure the lid shut when traveling. Together, these make the grill easy to carry wherever you want to take it. The Blaze Pro Portable Grill comes with a regulator hose that fits a standard 20-pound propane tank, as well as an adapter that makes the hose compatible with small 1-pound propane cylinders. I like that the regulator hose is long enough to get the tank out of the way to leave more room for prep space. For easy cleaning, the burner of the grill can be completely removed when needed, and there's a slide-out drip pan that can be removed from the left side of the unit. The grill rests on 4 solid feet, which have rubber pads to prevent it from scratching the surfaces you set it on. Now we'll perform the XRF test on the Blaze Pro Portable Grill. The cooking grids, flame tamer, and burner all tested to be 304 stainless steel. The exterior tested to be 304 stainless steel on the standard commercial grade model and 316L stainless steel on the marine grade model. Blaze backs these portable grills with a limited lifetime warranty, so this could very well be the last portable grill you'll ever buy.
When the mood to barbecue strikes, don't let lack of space stop you with the Megamaster 2-burner propane gas grill. Perfect for apartment living or wherever outdoor room is in short supply. With a surprising 418 inches of cooking space, you can grill feasts for 2 or more. Equipped with 2 independent stainless steel burners that fire up at the press of a battery-operated ignition button, the burners can supply up to 28,000 BTUs of total flame roasting power. The stainless steel lid features a built-in temperature gauge that takes the mystery out of grilling times. Inside, you'll find a durable cast iron cooking grid. Below the grids, 2 porcelain flame tamers distribute heat, protect the burners from drippings, and turn them into flavorful grilled smoke for that unmistakable grilled taste. To save space, we've added foldable side shelves that conveniently fold away when not in use. Plus, a cart with wheels neatly stores your propane tank and connection. Turn even the smallest outdoor area into your own personal barbecue spot with the Megamaster 2-burner propane gas grill. Megamaster, together made better.
Napoleon is proud to introduce our new lineup of Prestige Pro Series grills with a multitude of exclusive features and crafted with the utmost detail and care in mind. These grills have everything you need and more, with features like instant jet fire ignition, ensuring a quick and easy startup every time, or the 2-stage power side burner with the circular center infrared burner for endless cooking options. You'll know it's a Napoleon with the iconic wave cooking grids for those distinctive sear marks. The culinary journey is never-ending, with the impressive cooking area and heavy-gauge stainless steel construction allowing you to grill for years to come. Discover that party atmosphere with Napoleon's gourmet outdoor kitchens and grill up restaurant-quality food in your own backyard. Perfect for the grill masters who love entertaining, Napoleon's exclusive nightlight control knobs with safety glow colors that can be changed to match any decor and new proximity lighting makes cooking long into the night a breeze. Napoleon's Prestige Pro Series grills consist of 3 models: Pro 825, Pro 665, and Pro 500, as well as an array of built-in models.
Meet the Nexgrill Evolution Infrared Plus 5-burner gas grill. With a reliable battery-powered electronic ignition, you just turn on the gas, turn the knobs, press the button, and let the grilling begin. 5 independently controlled stainless steel burners each offer 9,000 BTUs of flame roasting energy for quick, convenient, controlled heat. While angled flame tamers deflect heat, prevent flare-ups, and convert drippings to smoky flavor. Nexgrill's Evolution Infrared Plus technology gives you the flexibility of cooking with various combinations of direct heat and infrared heat, while the built-in thermometer enables precise temperature regulation. Removable stainless steel heat plates and firebox dividers provide complete control. 468 square inches of primary cooking area allows you to bake, broil, sear, or smoke with ease. And an upper-level warming rack is perfect to warm or cook additional food. On the sides, 420 square inches of total shelf space is perfect for food prep or serving. When you're ready to simmer, sauté, or boil, just raise the flat surface lid of the 12,000 BTU stainless steel side burner and enjoy. And when it's time to clean up, a convenient front pull-out grease cup keeps things simple. Finally, a smooth motion 4-caster system makes moving your grill a breeze, and a fully enclosed double-door cart keeps your propane tank safely tucked away. Plus, the deluxe dual energy control valves easily convert from liquid propane to natural gas. We got your next grill right here. The Nexgrill Evolution Infrared Plus 5-burner gas grill.